Remember, the YouTube ads feed the ducks. Good morning, everybody, to the duck adventure on January the 30th. We got snow, and the temperature's falling. It's actually going to go to minus 16 today. Actually, right now, it's really warm out. Oh, the ducks were playing in the tub last night. Only half the water's left. I'm going to have to, I think I'm going to have to bring them water here. They don't want to come out this morning. Nobody's out. Actually, I'll go into the shed. I'm curious to see if there's any ducks in the shed. Oh, the wind's picking up. We got a good 9 inches of snow. Oh, there is ducks in the shed. Oh, we'll see if there's any eggs in there. Oh, it's Mo. Won't be any eggs for Mo. Oh, there's a duck under the lean-to. Who's in here? Oh, a couple little females. Oh, there is an egg in here. This must be a Muscovy egg. A survivor duck, actually. Anything under you, survivor duck? Is there an egg under you? No. Okay. All right, Mo, relax. Okay, what are you doing, Mo? You coming out? You're not gonna like it out here, Mo. Yeah, it's already minus 12. They said that, well, the temperature last night was minus 5, and they said it was going to get really cold. Oh, I think there's an egg. Yeah, there is. How did I get my tool here? I'm not too organized this morning. I wonder why this little girl that's out here. Why are you out here? Not many footprints, I should say, in the snow. Yeah. Oh, that wind's getting bad. I can feel it. Alright. There's 2 eggs out here. Oh, I'll see what's in the barn. Oh, 3. There's another one right there where I walk right by it. Oh, it's frozen. I'll put that in my pocket. Mix it up. Yeah, they were definitely in the tub last night. That was clean water last night, and it's disgusting dirty, and we've lost a lot. So they definitely were playing last night. I don't know. Why don't you go back inside, you silly duck? I'll come out a little later and do the water and keep an eye on the temperature. Actually, temperature keeps dropping, like they say. If it goes down to minus 16, and with a wind chill, we'll be going into lockdown again. Which is the way the wind's blowing. I wouldn't doubt there's a pretty good wind chill right now. Pretty good snowfall though. I'll be plowing the snow this morning. Alright, let's see what's in the barn. Oh, there's a whole bunch of ducks in the barn, I know that much. Oh, there's a dog at the door. Oh, look at the egg yolk on her. She had an egg yolk bath. Holy moly, look at the yolk on her. Oh, look at this little duck. She's got herself all bit. I wonder how many eggs are under you. Come on, girl. Come on. She had herself cocooned. Alright, not many eggs. This is bad today. I just don't believe. Look at the egg yolk on her. Oh, you. Not many eggs today. They think I'm bringing them water. Go outside. It's not that bad yet. All right, well, we'll leave them alone. Oh, Doug, I heard you at the door. We'll come back later after my coffee. We'll see what the temperature is. Actually, after my breakfast too, and we'll see what the temperature is. See what we have to do here. If it's going to be locked down or what. All right. Yeah, I don't know what you guys are talking about. There's something always in that window. There's nothing there. About 9:30. Temperature's already dropped down to -16. The wind chill there on the internet says -25. The ducks, well, they're being really smart. Look at this. They're not even. They're coming out just you know, to be in the sun here in the front, but they keep going back and forth into the barn. And nobody's out there. I think there's a couple ducks in the shed. But I'm. Oh, there's an egg on the ground. Oh, it's probably frozen. But I'm just bringing them some water because they're being smart. They don't want to be outside. So, unfortunately, I have to be outside because I got to shovel all this snow. Gotta get everything cleaned up. Luckily, it's fluffy snow, so it'll be easy. Oh, bang! Hit the camera. All right. What do I got in here? Ducks. Not a lot of duck action in here. There must be a whole bunch over in the barn, or in the shed, I mean. I don't see any eggs. No, there's that one egg that's outside, so I'm going to give them their water. So I think that's why they're hanging around. They're waiting for water. They don't want to go to the tub. Goose Lee's being quiet here. I just can't believe the geese, how they hang around inside more than the ducks. Well, I'm going to fill the tub up anyways today, and just in case they want to go out. But I got to get my active gear. I got to get rid of the snow in the yard. We got a good, it looks like about 8 inches. Let's look at them. I was just about to leave here, and I noticed there are some eggs over in the corner. Oh, look at Goose Lee. He tries to. Oh, he's so stupid. Look at this bird. Walk around and go out, you silly thing. Okay, now you don't want to go out. Alright, here. We got some more eggs. Oh, they're nice and clean too. So we'll go get that one outside. Hopefully it's not frozen. So that's 3 more. Still wasn't very many eggs today. But I'll go outside and we'll see what's out there. Maybe there are a bunch under the lean-to. Well, I had to switch cameras here as I running the camera and keep my hands with eggs and holding eggs, I mean. Plus, I got to get some more clothes on. I got to put some wind pants on. This is nasty out today. It's not nice. So I'm going to grab the hoe here just in case there's some eggs underneath. Oh yeah, she's well, it's -13 down here. Oh, Mo's in his spot. Any more eggs in here, girls? Survivor ducks, oh, you're in the right spot. Oh, listen though, I don't know if you can hear the wind out there, guys. Alright. Alright, anybody leave any eggs in here? Sorry girls, I gotta make you get up. Any eggs? No, none there. Oh. No eggs in there. So it looks like just one egg out here in the snow. Oh, it's frozen. It's got a split in it. Oh. They must have came outside and laid it right away this morning when I came out. Oh, Dougie, you're not too fan of this. He's not a big fan of the snow. It's cold on his belly. He's got not much fur in his belly. All right, well, I got to get things set up here for the ducks. I'm going to have to force them into the barn. The wind is not nice. Well, I'm already cold, and I'm dressed for it. Except these ones in here, they're warm. Underneath the heat lamp. But I'm sorry, girls. Everybody's got to go to the barn. Oh, my fingers are already cold. I don't believe this today. I got to change gloves. And I'm going to have to put some wind pants on. The wind is cutting right through me here. Hey, doggy, she's cool. Well, the weatherman was right. The big weather warning on the internet saying that temperatures were going to drop. I believe that it's minus 25 with the wind chill. I just had to put my hood up. And, well, look at this. Not a duck is outside. Oh, one just came back out. I'm just going to change the water in the tub and then put the cover on it. But I'm going to get the Muscovies out of the shed here and send them over to the barn. I can't believe how cold this is. Come on, everybody. We got to get out of here. The barn is where it's the place to be today. Come on. I'm turning the heat lamps off. We're going to the barn where it's free heat. Come on. Oh, you little girls are so cute. Alright, I'll turn this heat lamp off. And we'll block this place off. So, no, wrong direction there, duck. Oh, Muscovies. Come on. Let you go. I can't believe the wind. I gotta put some serious more clothes on here. I'm frozen already. Well, I'm wearing mitts, guys. That's how cold the temperature seriously dropped. All right, girls, let's go. Come on, wrong direction. Let's go to the barn. Come on, let's go. Walk a little slower. The barn's the place to be. No, underneath there is not the place to be. Come on. Survivor duck's looking good. Get inside. There's water in there, there's food in there. I'll leave the gate open if they do want to come out. It seems this year the ducks are a lot smarter. They're not coming out with this nasty weather. It's cold.
I'm frozen. I've been on the tractor here for like 2 hours plowing. I don't know how Dougie's doing it. He's running around here and it's not even affecting him, and my feet are frozen. But Doug, I put him in the house and he stands at the door crying to come back out. Some of the ducks came out. I'm just taking them water right now. Crazy ducks. I'm going to be putting you inside shortly. Well, I'll let them have about another hour out here. The sun's nice. It's the wind today is nasty. Oh, we got my scobies. They're inside. I'm here with water. Mo, of course. Well, I'm going to top up the food, and then I'm going to go warm up, and then I'll come out here and I'll put the ducks away. It's actually warm in here. It's only +2 actually, but it's cold. The wind outside nasty. I can't believe how cold I am. Sitting in the tractor, my feet are frozen. I don't know, and I've got serious winter boots on. They're rated for like -70, and my toes are numb. All right, Dougie wanted in. It's that cold. He's following me around. Come on, let's go. All right. But when I was plowing, the ducks were inside the whole time. They didn't come out of the barn until I we got the shovel out and I was shoveling the electric fence out. So all the wires are exposed. But they were inside the whole time. I was actually shocked. I was plowing away and I kept looking up and there wasn't a single duck in the pen. Then when I put the tractor away and it came out and started shoveling, that's when they came out of the barn. But I've got the tub covered right now because it's just too cold. But then it'd be screwing around in water. Okay, we got a duck with a lot of blood on it. Alright, I gotta go check out what's going on here. Looks like a pulled feather. Let's see what's going on here. I wonder if the geese are doing this or... It's dried blood. It actually looks like splatter. It actually doesn't even look like it's from this duck. Well, it is a drake, so it could be two drakes fighting. That's quite possible. Look at these crazy ducks. Laying in the snow. I can't stay alone. My face is already burning. I guess they just don't want to be in the barn today. Well, they were earlier. They seem to have enough brains to go in when they get cold this year. I'll keep an eye on them this afternoon. I'm gonna see what the temperature is here. And the wind chill's nasty though. -12. I bet you the wind chill's like push 22 below, around there. It feels it. my cheeks are already, I've had my face covered with my face mask all day while I was snow plowing, so right now my cheeks are starting to get sore from the cold, from the wind. I'll come out here in about an hour and I'll check on them. Well, I'm out here to do lockdown. The temperature's already fallen to minus 19. Tonight's temperature they're calling for minus 31. And the wind chill, well, they're just saying severe wind chill. So you know, because there is a wind, but they're not saying what. But it doesn't matter when you're already at 31, minus 31. Severe wind chill really doesn't matter. It's just cold. So I'm out here. I'm gonna lock everything down. Of course, there's a silly Muscovy. I've got to get out of the lean-to here. Come on, girl. Come on. This is not the place to be. Not tonight, anyways. Come on. No other ducks in there? Oh, there's an egg. All right, I gotta pick that egg up. All right, first we'll get the ducks in, locked up here. Come on, girl. Nobody's getting it tonight. Tonight's really a nasty night. Really nasty. Alright. Okay. Alright, I gotta grab my... Oh, that wind! That's not nice out, guys. Ducks in lockdown. I'm getting sick of lockdown. Be glad. Oh, I'm hoping February we start getting, you know, some decent February weather. You know, this January stuff sucks. January is always the coldest month. All right, guys, I got to put the camera down here. So I've got the wrong camera to be doing an egg recon here. So hang on. Well, eggs frozen. So that's 4 frozen eggs today. I think 4 or 3. Three frozen eggs today. Oh, Dougie's getting eggs on his food tomorrow. He likes that. They don't go to waste. All right, let's turn the lights off here. This is oh, this lockdown. Oh, I'm so sick of doing lockdown. Like I said, February. We gotta hope February gonna get some nice weather. We can still have nasty cold stuff in February, but there's a chance, you know, in February that you can have a milder month where it's not so nasty. But the wind, I'm telling you guys, oh, I wish I could give you a blast through your speakers here just so you could feel what it's like. It's like today I froze. I can't remember the last time I got cold feet like that. And I'm outside a lot. And I don't get cold feet very often. And the boots I was wearing today were serious winter boots. They're my 70 below outdoor working boots. Alright guys, I'm here in water. Oh, it's nice and warm in here. Look at this. It looks like everybody's telling her. I think he is in a fight. Oh, he is. No, I haven't filled it yet. I was turning my head and I looked over and there was the 2 ducks they're pushing down on the water jug before I even got it in here. Alright guys. Oh, I'm struggling. There we go. I think he's got a feather got pulled out. That's a big drink. Mole minding his own business. Look at this. 3 in one nest it was. Actually, that's mascara duck. Just look at them. There's two in the nest. They're crazy ducks. You're being awful quiet. They're really calm tonight. I think they're calm is because they've been outside all day. And actually, they've been free for 2 days now. So tonight's the first lockdown in 48 hours for them. Are they ever quiet? This is really unbelievable, actually. It's not like my ducks at all. A lot of them are playing in the water here right now. They're going to have some serious drinking. Okay, Disco Duck is a little bit wound out here. There. It's like she's trying to get on top of the ducks. She's such a pretty duck. Alright everybody, well that's it for today on the Duck Adventure. I won't be filming anymore today. You're not going to believe it, but shoveling snow today, I hurt my back, so my back's just killing me again. I was doing so well there, and I think I must have turned around. I think I actually did it when I was on the tractor. I must have wrenched myself getting on or off the tractor. I don't remember, but I'm not in very good shape. So I'll be back here later, give them one more water before the end of the night, and that'll be it. And I don't even know if I'm going to be filming tomorrow. If I'm hurting this bad right now, I might be. You might have a couple days with no videos, guys. So, but that's it for today.